Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. Hope you're all doing well. This is a day later than normal because I haven't had time to put it up yet and make the weekly forecast. But all the links are in the video description. We have opened this week with a bullish move towards the upside to target this gap here. So what we have to look out for is a continuation down from this area, because this is a big impulse move down. You've made a gap there to retrace to, and then you got the continuation down because we left behind liquidity here. So look out for that today and over the next few days. Nice continuation down to target the previous lows. Main target areas for that move would be this liquidity over here and to target this area. Obviously this previous low would be your first target. Now that is a simple forecast. What we have to look out for, we can't just start selling. We go down to the 4 hour time frame and we have another few arrows. So this is a manipulation area we had from last week. As you can see from the left hand side, it's also over here and been well respected. So this is a support and resistance level. So a simple thing would be, as price comes down, look for bullish support from this area. So if we get that, then you can expect that continuation up. There'll be a previous high here and you have liquidity there. So that would be a good opportunity to buy, and that has the potential to go all the way up to that previous high at 4,381, because you have a rough double top at that last high. So that is what we are focusing on, that long-term continuation up. And the way you look for confirmations on this retracement would be to look at a smaller time frame and read the manipulation that's taking place. What you want to see is a retracement here, liquidity being left behind at that high, and then as it comes down, small time frame, you want to see a nice consolidation, fake out, down, and then an impulse move up. That would give you a manipulation bullish reversal, and that would be a great setup from a retracement. On the higher time frame, you're likely to see it over a few candles and the manipulation isn't going to be very clear. But if you go down to the smaller time frame, 30-minute time frame and below, you will see that manipulation taking place. So that is how I get into the move. I focus on the smaller time frame, manipulation within a key area of interest, and that would be this grey area here. If there's no kind of manipulation taking place to verify that reversal, then we continue down and follow this white arrow here to collect liquidity here and here. Nice and simple. I'm going to leave the weekly forecast like that. Like I said, links are in the video description if you want any more information. Have a good day, have a good week, and take care.